Wow! Look at that! Came out perfectly! So cute! Carefully. Oh wow! Looks great! Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to try making super popular choco marshmallows using these 3 types of DIY candy kit. In Japan, it's pretty hard to get choco marshmallows right now. How about in your country? Alright, let's get started! Here's the chocolate I'll be using today. And check out this cute silicone mold I got from the 100-yen store, Daiso. Isn't it just adorable? I'm so excited! First, let's chop the chocolate into small pieces. It's been a while since I made sweets, so I'm super excited. It's making such a nice sound. I chose a bitter chocolate this time. Chopping it finely at the start makes it easier to melt. So I'll do my best. Okay, it's looking pretty finely chopped now. The smell of chocolate is so good. I'm really looking forward to this. Now, let's put a bit of chocolate into the mold. Cat designs are just too cute, aren't they? The paw print shape is just too cute. Maybe this much? Now, let's melt it in the microwave. Then, use a spoon to spread it thinly across the silicone mold. Looks like I covered it evenly. I'm just so excited. Does it feel like this? Let's do the bowl-shaped one too. Looking good! Now, let's chill these in the fridge. In the meantime, I'll prepare the Nerunerunerune for the filling as usual. This one is soda and ramen flavor. Add 1 scoop of water to the soda flavored powder. Stir well until all the powder dissolves. This should be about right. Now, add the next powder. Look at that pretty blue color. Mix well. Wow, it's getting fluffy. This is so much fun. Let's mix in the ramen bits too. Wow, all done. Now, for the next Nerunerunerune. This time, it's grape flavor. This one's really popular too. Start by adding the first powder and some water. Wow, that purple is intense. Smells super grapey. Now, add the second powder. It's puffing up again. That's a fun part of Nerunerunerune. So fun! Then, mix in the colorful candy toppings. Oh no, it's way too cute! Our filling for the chocolate are ready. And this time, I'm also making double slime jelly. I made this in a previous video, but the colors are super dreamy and cute, so I wanted to try it again. Add water to the tray. Now, add the first slime powder. Mix well. The pretty light blue jelly looks adorable too. Then, add the second powder. This one's a cute pink, fluffy color. This pink jelly is also super cute. It's fun how the texture is different from the blue one. I'll mix in some toppings beforehand too. Now, mix the 2 slimes together. Let's just pour everything in at once. It will probably taste even better with all of it together. Oh, it turns into a beautiful purple. But since the textures are different, it's a bit tricky to mix. Gotta mix it well. Okay, that looks about right. It has a chewy texture. Look at this! Such adorable fillings are ready now. I'm so excited. Now, let's take the molds out of the fridge. They are beautifully set. Let's start with the soda and ramen version. Carefully spoon it into the cat mold without spilling. This is so much fun! The more, the better, right? Don't you think the chocolate and soda ramen are the perfect combo? It's a bit tricky not to overfill, but I want to pack it in. Looks good like this. Next is the grape flavor in the bowl mold. The color is super cute. Totally Insta-worthy. This is so much fun. I think I'm getting better at this. Let's add just a little more. It's been a while since I made sweets, but I'm really happy because it's turning out pretty well. Looks good, right? I also prepared a heart-shaped mold for the double slime jelly. Hope it works out. Let's fill the mold. The two slimes separate easily. It's tricky. Yep, still tricky. It all kind of went in at once. But I believe it will be fine once we cover it with chocolate. Now for the final step, covering with chocolate. Here's the melted chocolate. It's nice and hot. Let's pour it on top. So far, so good. I will use a spoon to smooth it out and try to avoid uneven spots. The cat mold is super cute too. If it were you, what kind of mold would you use? Then gently tap the mold on the table to remove air bubbles. Looks amazing so far. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Let's do the bowl mold the same way. Oops, ran out of chocolate. I melted and added a little more chocolate. I'm excited to see how this one turns out too. Looking good. So tasty looking. Let's tap it to remove air bubbles too. And finally, the heart-shaped mold for the slime jelly. I think sealing it with chocolate will work. So far, so good. But will it be okay when I take it out of the heart mold? I hope it doesn't break. I chilled them in the fridge for 1 hour. They are ready. Let's take it out of the mold. Look at that! Came out perfectly! So cute! I want to eat them already. Wait! This is a huge success, isn't it? It feels so satisfying to pop it out of the mold. It's so beautiful. It's hardened perfectly and I'm so happy. Let's do the cat-shaped ones too. So shiny and smooth. Can't wait to see the inside. I'll remove them all carefully. Looking really good. Amazing! Now for the heart-shaped slime jelly. This one had me a bit worried. Carefully now. This part is tricky. I have a bad feeling. I'm so nervous. Will it be okay? Oh no! So sad! It cracked! I'm so disappointed. Maybe the filling was just too soft. It looks like a total fail, but it probably still tastes good. Let's try it. いただきます. Oh wow! It's actually really tasty. The sweetness of the chocolate and the refreshing soda flavor of the slime go really well together. Now, the soda and ramen cat-shaped one. Nervous? Let's break it open. Carefully. Oh, looks great! The colors are beautiful and the colorful ramen bits are such a cute touch. Let's try it. The crispy chocolate and fluffy filling are amazing. Chocolate plus soda plus ramen makes perfect combo. Next is the grape version in the ball shape. Carefully breaking it open. Oh wow! Looks great! The colorful candy adds a fun accent. It's quite sweet, so if you love sweet things, you've got to try it. Oh, it's really hard. Maybe the chocolate was too thick. Oh, it broke. What a surprise. That was fun. Let's try it. I cut them nicely with a knife. So cute! It's like a fancy little snack time treat. Here's what the cross section looks like. What did you think? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!